So what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a new video. This is a video that a lot of you guys have requested. We're inside the new facelifted Audi RS3 and we're gonna take it for a quick POV drive. Big thanks to the guys over at Audi Center Rivonia. I'm actually chilling here with Xolani from Audi. I'll leave his details down in the description below. If you're interested in any Audi models, new or used, do reach out to him and he'll sort you out. So there's a new RS3 on the market and let's see what it's all about. So something I've noticed about this car is it actually doesn't have the faked pumped in noise that comes in through the speakers. So all the sound is coming from the exhaust, which is very nice for a modern car because all modern performance cars have that feature, I'll call it. And I know a lot of people hate that. So pretty much everything you're hearing here is from the exhaust. It's coming from the back there. So the car is updated, but I'd say, is it safe to say most of the updates are cosmetic? I guess it's a blend of both because they've also updated the suspension, which in turn made it the fastest car around the Nürburgring in its class, so it's quicker than the M2 and the Mercedes A45S. I actually can't see the traffic light, okay, because of the guy standing here. So yeah, suspension upgrades, minor tweaks to the power delivery and torque delivery. Is this the old one? Yeah, there's the pre-facelift, interesting enough. And yeah, the power is still the same, 294 kilowatts around this block and 500 Newton meters of torque, still paired with a 7-speed S-tronic dual clutch transmission and all that jazz. They've changed the lights a bit, there's a new steering wheel. So yeah, minor tweaks that make the car feel fresh again. Although I wish they added just a bit more power. I think it's just a psychological thing for me. Even if it's just 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 kilowatts, 10 horsepower, 15 horsepower, it's fine. I think it's my OCD. When there's a new performance model out and it's making the exact same numbers as the older one, it just bothers me in a way, but it's not a big deal. It's not like the car needed to be any faster. This thing is plenty fast. It is extremely fast. Oh man, the way the engine note just bellows is just, it sounds amazing, to say the least. It sounds amazing. It's a bit hectic here with some construction work, so we'll take it easy, but we should be back on the road shortly. So the car still has the cool torque splitter, which is the diff at the back, which can send up to 100% of the power and torque to the inside wheel, depending on which direction you're turning in. So it also allows you to have drift mode and stuff. Oh man, I just love how it's also enjoyable to short shift. So even when you're not driving at 1010s, it's still very, very enjoyable. Jeez, the construction out here is actually pretty hectic. So even chilling like this, man, this engine is actually very, very characterful. And I'll say something crazy. I don't know how to put it, but I feel like the Golf R, the Mark 8, with its Akrapovic exhaust, just sounds a bit more exciting because it has burbles and cracks and pops. and you don't get any of that here. And I don't know why Audi doesn't offer that exhaust, because I know it's coming on the facelift S3, it's on the Golf R, so why not on the RS3? So all you get here is a nice engine tone. That 5-cylinder engine tone is very unique, but it would have been nice to get some burbles on the overrun, on gear changes and so forth. So yeah, a Krapovich exhaust on the RS3 also, please, Audi. Listen to this. It bellows so much. I'm just short shifting, and the way the sound is bellowing is just insane. Jeez. And you're way over the speed limit just like that. It's the crazy thing about these cars, man. They're just so fast for the road. They are so fast, but it's fun. Just don't get arrested. Listen to that. I'm in 5th gear and this thing is pulling. Jeez. These cars are so tight. Like when you look at its rivals as well, it's so hard to pick between them. Your taste has to be drawn to like either of them. Like if so, like for example, if you really love the M2, you'll most likely not necessarily hate the RS3 and A45, but you wouldn't want to hear anything about them. If you really love the RS3, you don't want to hear anything about the M2 or A45S. Same goes for the Merc too. But man, this car is... oh, jeez, man. Listen. What a car. Really, what a car. What a car. How many minutes is the video on there, on top?
Almost 8.
Almost 8. Okay. Alcantara steering wheel is so nice to hold on to. Although I have to say, in terms of looks and design, I actually like the previous one. There's just something about this airbag cover and the Audi logo that's bothering me. But I love these new drive mode controls. These are absolutely cool, and the fact that they're in red makes them even cooler. Downshift to first, jeez. Look at those shift lights. It is just so cool because you also get them on the heads-up display too. Man, oh man, RS3. Performance cars are in a different league nowadays because we are so spoiled for choice, and pretty much each one is unique in its own way. The M2 with its rear-wheel drive, the RS3 with its 5-cylinder. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Yes, boys. The price on this car is really scary, but when you jump inside and drive it, man, the experience is... oof, listen to that. I can just do this the whole day. Downshift. Listen to that, even when you're short shifting. So I was still saying, this one in particular is spec'd up to about 1.7 million rands, which is just unimaginable for a hot hatch. The fact that we're now approaching like 2 million is just insane. Is it justifiable? Absolutely not. Do I want one? Yes, 100%. if you had the money, should you buy one? Absolutely, 100%. But yeah, it's just unfortunate that whatever happens to the economy, it also affects cars or car prices in general. But I guess such is life. So, the other thing that I wanted to talk about, do you need this one over the older one? I would say no. But if you're in the market for a newer performance car, should you go for the newer one over the older one? Absolutely. If your capital allows, definitely go for the newer one. But if you're already, let's say you're driving the older one, you don't need to upgrade and get the new one. But I know there are people who are upgrading, which I'm very jealous of, to say the least. But yeah, that's the RS3, man. And I know so many of you guys want me to do this and that with the car, drive it on the highway and show this, go on a road trip. But you guys have to remember, I don't yet get these cars on test to live with on a day-to-day basis. Like today, we only have like a few hours with the car, 1 or 2 hours basically to go shoot. So within that 1 and 2 hours, I have to shoot everything, the POV, the full review and whatever, and deliver the videos to you guys. So I understand you want to see more in the videos and have me capture more for you. But when the time allows, when we are privileged enough to experience them, say over a couple of days, I'll definitely deliver everything that you guys want to see. But for now, this is all you're going to get. Oh jeez, I'm tired of driving behind this thing now. There's no car, let me just pass respectfully. Okay, that's over and done with. So let's go down to second gear. Jeez, man. Yep. What a car. So I think we'll do one final pull here. Let's slow down. Go first. Jeez. Oh my goodness, it's scary the way this car picks up. Literally scary. So yeah, that is the new Audi RS3, guys. And big thanks to the guys over at Audi Santa Rivonia for allowing me this opportunity. And best believe in future I'll get other chances to drive this car and we'll get to experience it more. But nonetheless, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this POV. Until next time, that's cheers from me. Club spot.